Oh my God, is that an amphicar under all that rust?
"50 years underwater has destroyed every inch of this beauty."
The front grille is just layers of rust and barnacles.
This rare amphicar has been swallowed by nature completely. The marine propeller is completely seized with rust and mud.
Let's see if this rare treasure can be saved.
This is the rustiest amphicar I've ever seen discovered. Time to bring this rust bucket to the garage.
Welcome home, rusty amphicar. Let the restoration begin now.
Look at the state of this thing. The rust is absolutely everywhere, and these aren't river barnacles, these are definitely marine. The turquoise paint is almost gone. We're looking at severe rust perforation around the headlights and a missing hood ornament. The original turquoise paint is gone. Look how easily this penetrates the metal. This entire section will need to be replaced.
The corrosion on these control arms is severe. As you can see, the springs are rusted right through, and these ball joints are completely frozen. Look at this pitting. The gears are totally frozen, and the water pump housing is just gone.
As you can see, the rust damage is extensive. The frame has multiple perforations and the lower hull is severely compromised.
Final clear coat creates stunning mirror turquoise blue finish.
Watching turquoise paint cure is so satisfying after rust.
Compounding brings incredible gloss to the turquoise blue paint.
Final polish creates show-quality turquoise blue mirror finish perfectly. Chrome bumpers look spectacular against fresh turquoise blue body.
Installing trim really accentuates the beautiful turquoise blue color.
After a thorough dusting, we use a microfiber cloth on the chrome. Now for the final dressing on the hoses to get that perfect satin finish. Oh wow, listen to her purr. We did it. I can't believe it's the same car.
Yeah, no.
The color is absolutely stunning.